Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make payment advice in Tally Prime. First, understand that payment advice is a document sent to your vendors, detailing the payments made to them. It includes crucial information like the payment amount, the date of payment, and references to the specific invoices being settled. This ensures transparency and helps maintain excellent vendor relationships. It is a simple yet powerful tool for clear financial communication. To begin, you need to configure Tally Prime correctly. Navigate to the voucher type alteration screen for your payment voucher. Here, ensure the option to print payment advice is set to yes. Also, double-check that your company's bank details are accurately entered, as these will appear on the advice. Finally, confirm that all vendor ledger details are complete and up-to-date for seamless processing. Now, let's generate the advice. First, record a standard payment voucher in Tally Prime, selecting the appropriate vendor and the bank ledger from which the payment is made. Crucially, allocate the payment against the specific bills you are settling. Once the voucher is saved, Tally Prime will prompt you to print the payment advice. Confirm this action to proceed with generating your document. Before finalizing, you have options to customize your payment advice. You can add your company logo, include specific notes, or adjust the layout to suit your preferences. Always preview the advice to ensure all details are accurate and presented clearly. Once satisfied, you can either print a physical copy to mail or directly email the advice to your vendors, completing the payment communication cycle efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.